Here at Teesside University, we pride ourselves on providing excellent experiences for all of our students throughout all of our courses. That includes providing a balance between theory aspects and practical aspects, where we bring in simulated practice learning to enhance the practice learning elements for our students.
Digital technology is at the heart of everything that we do at Teesside. It's embedded throughout all our curriculums, it's in our facilities, and our staff are really competent in delivering digital innovations within their teaching.
We partnered with OMS because we saw it as a unique opportunity to leverage the technology that's out there. It allows us to scale our simulation, so we have lots of learners, but it allows us to scale that across all of our learners and also give an equity of access to experiences that our students have. I think what made OMS stand out is the ability for us to have unlimited learner access and also the ability for us to create our own scenarios. So yes, we're using it a lot in our nursing programs, but we have big intentions to use this across midwifery, our allied health professional programs as well, and so that's what stood out, that we could create what's bespoke, what we need for our local area.
Nursing can have high pressure environments. Students have to learn to deal with resilience and stress as they progress through the course. The use of virtual reality allows students to make those errors, to revisit scenario as many times as they need to, and to tailor their learning of clinical practice to their own needs. The use of virtual reality not only complements real-life clinical placements, but also helps to reinforce the theory that students have learned.
I think the most exciting thing for me for using virtual sim at Teesside is the students, when they first come in, they are a bit unsure, but by the end of the day you can see a real change in them. They're feeling a lot more confident with using the software itself, but also you can see that they're starting to ask less questions about the medical knowledge.
So in terms of feedback regarding VR Sim, we've had lots of positive feedback from the students. A lot of the students have come back to say how much it's helped build their confidence, how much it's helped to reduce errors. We've had students emailing in to say how better prepared they feel for clinical practice.
After the scenarios, I felt more confident in doing the A to E assessment so that I know what questions to be asking and what to look out for.
It gives you that insight before you are going out in practice, just so you don't feel like you're getting chucked in the deep end.
The virtual simulations was a lot easier to get into rather than the physical simulations because they seemed more realistic.
OMS have been a fabulous team to work with in terms of just supporting us on our journey to implementing it within our programs, from kind of providing practical sessions for our staff, but also learning resources to support us with rolling this out across programs as well.